In this video, we're installing the USB ASIO driver for our interfaces under Windows XP. For most of our products, the process is exactly the same. So if you use a PHONORAMA, UGM96, Dr. DAC, or GIGAPORT HD, the process is always about the same. In the download section of our website, under USB Audio Interfaces, you can select the product, this area. I'm using a Dr. DAC Nano. Now you can download the driver here, and to make it easier, I'm saving it on the desktop. Once the download is completed, you can close your web browser, and here you can find the zip file with the driver. We need to extract all those files. I'm using the built-in functions from Windows, but actually you can use any other utility if you prefer it. And now in this folder we have the files, and this is the setup program to install the driver, which I'm going to launch by double clicking. Confirm this with run, and now the installer starts. It is important that the hardware is not connected to your system before you are installing the driver. So if you have plugged it in already with USB, unplug the cable now, then click next. This dialog allows you to change the default folder where the files are being copied to, but I just recommend to keep it. Click next, and click next one more time. Now when this dialog appears, you have to confirm the installation by clicking continue anyway, and one more time. And this dialog finally asks you to plug in the USB cable for the hardware, which is what I'm going to do now. The hardware detection is running now, and you can see it in this bubble that appears on the lower right corner that something's happening. The Found New Hardware wizard will appear, which you have to run through by first clicking to No, Not This Time, and then Next. Then keep the automatic recommended setting, click Next. And the files are being copied, then click Finish. Now some other parts of the driver are being installed, and you can confirm these also by clicking continue anyway. One more time. Now finally it says your new hardware is installed and ready to use, and this means you can close this dialog by clicking OK. And now the control panel for your hardware is being launched. Make sure to remove this checkbox, because otherwise you will be asked to do this every time Windows starts, and then confirm it by clicking run. And the ESI logo appears in your taskbar, and by clicking on that you can open the control panel of the hardware, which is now ready to use inside your applications.